bought a pack of spring onions the other day, but I only really needed to use one of them. So we're gonna turn the rest of this into kimchi. I'm really just gonna do like a bare minimum kimchi paste for this. So got some water, heat that up. I don't have rice flour, so I'm gonna use cornstarch instead. 1, 2 tablespoons, we'll see how well that works. Gonna whisk this until it becomes like a thick paste. So this happened a lot faster than I expected, so just keep an eye on yours, but now it's a thick paste, so let's let this cool down a bit. We need to add a bit of sugar to this, so let's actually use our apple chung and mix it in while it's still hot. We'll add some gochugaru. You can do this depending on how spicy you want it. We need to add some salt now. You can use fish sauce, but I'm not a huge fan of fish sauce, so I'm gonna use soy sauce. Once again, depends on how salty you like it. I'm a garlic girl, so I'm gonna add a bunch of garlic. This is basically ready now, so we'll let it cool down, then we'll put it on spring onions. I'm gonna cut the ends off of my spring onion. Because I don't really have a jar this tall, I'm also gonna cut these in half. All right, so this is pretty cool now, so let's add it to the spring onions, mix it up, and then jar it. If you have gloves, wear some gloves and do this by hand, it'll be much easier, but I don't have any. Got a clean jar. Hopefully these fit. Just about perfect. Clean this up. I'm gonna let this ferment open top for a few days and then move it to the fridge for a few more days, and then it should be ready to eat.